Welcome to the Tornado Shelter Showroom. Welcome to the Tornado Shelter Showroom, located in Oklahoma City since 1997. We sell and install tornado shelters located in your garage, patio, or backyard. Manufactured to your precise standards by an international company with 60 years experience. We coat each shelter with polyester fiberglass resin to ensure leak-proof protection and include a lifetime transferable warranty. Each job is handled with professionalism and promptness by our experienced staff. We work with the homeowner to choose the proper location. Our equipment produces minimal dust and the concrete is removed with no effect to the house, structure, or foundation. All excess concrete and dirt is completely removed from the site and disposed of. After aligning and leveling, the shelter is anchored to the existing slab with steel rods, concrete, and water. The garage is cleaned and pressure washed. Mixed concrete is added and troweled smooth to give the job a professional finished look. Our crews are trained to leave the property clean to your satisfaction. With our goal of one more satisfied customer ready for the next storm. Take a look at some of our many installations. Thank you for your time. Call or come by our showroom.